Hi, I'm Tim Bakke from the Surface Commercial Marketing team, and I wanted to take a few minutes to show you a demo of AutoCAD from Autodesk. AutoCAD is a 2D and 3D CAD application. The original AutoCAD is a Windows 32-bit or 64-bit desktop application, but there's also an AutoCAD Universal Windows application that lets users view, create, edit, and share AutoCAD drawings on mobile devices. Designers of all type need tools that allow them to translate their ideas easily and intuitively into 2D and 3D designs. Surface devices provide the power to support complex workflows while allowing each user to choose the most intuitive method for creating, whether mouse, touch, or Surface Pen, thus improving productivity and sparking creativity. With Surface devices, you can choose how you work in AutoCAD. Use Surface Studio to slide smoothly between a drafting board in studio mode and a brilliant upright screen for display and collaboration. For longer work sessions, use Surface Dock to connect your powerful Surface Book 2 into multiple monitors. And when you're on the go, you'll always have the full AutoCAD desktop application with you. But if you're making more limited changes to design, AutoCAD Mobile on Surface Pro is an ideal solution, allowing an easy switch between tablet and laptop mode. Let's start with the desktop application running on Surface Book 2. Powered by the latest dual and quad-core Intel processors and the blazing graphics performance of the latest NVIDIA GeForce GPUs, Surface Book 2 unleashes the true potential of AutoCAD software. With up to 17 hours of battery life, Surface Book 2 lets you take your designs wherever your workday requires. In 2D designs like this floor plan, you can pan and zoom using intuitive gestures like two-finger swipe and pinch. You can also use Surface Dial to zoom in and out. Using Surface Pen allows you to quickly create geometry. From the ribbon, select the line command and then draw a line on the canvas. Repeat for circle, arc, etc. And you can turn on objects to snap using the Shift key. You can also orbit around your 3D designs. I've switched to a 3D model of a boat, and by tapping the orbit icon, can quickly move around using gestures. When I'm ready to make changes, I just hit the Escape key. So now I'll move over to my Surface Pro, a powerful next-generation laptop that delivers the ultimate in versatility, performance, and design. Here we're using AutoCAD Mobile, but of course this can be done on any Surface product running Windows 10. AutoCAD Mobile is a universal Windows application available through the Microsoft Store and is designed more for use in reviews and on more mobile devices that don't require the power and performance of a book or a Surface Studio. This is perfect for someone that's highly mobile or someone that works with customers. Using the Surface Arc mouse, which matches my burgundy type cover, my Surface device looks great coming out of my bag and is a great representation of not only my personal brand, but the company I represent. Surface Pen is a great tool for precisely creating, analyzing, and amending your drawings, particularly when you're using Surface Pro in tablet mode or like this down into studio mode. I've opened up the same floor plan model we were looking at before, and I'll tap the Draw button and select the Polyline tool. With Surface Pen, I can put points onto the page to set the corners and the outline of the room. Tap inside the unit's box to edit the lengths, or tap Undo to cancel a segment. Tap the Measure button and select the Distance tool. Tap 2 points of the room to measure their distance. Next, you can hold the barrel button on the Surface Pen and drag the pen across the page to select multiple lines or features on the page. You can also freehand annotations to your drawings and plans and make feedback and collaboration easy. Here I'll tap the Annotate button and select the Cloud tool. Use Surface Pen to mark up an area of your choice. Tap the Annotate button again, select Marker, and write your comments. Just flip your Surface Pen over to erase lines or annotations. And because this is a universal Windows application, AutoCAD Mobile works on Surface Hub as well. This allows teams from within the room or those joining by Skype for Business from anywhere in the world to collaborate in real time with the same tools I just showed on my Surface Pro. One difference you'll notice is that Autodesk has optimized the UI for large screen by placing controls on both sides. This is important for the 55-inch Surface Hub, but it's critical for the 84-inch. So there you have it. The paper drawings that are still used in the construction engineering trades are expensive, cumbersome, and difficult to carry around, and aren't always up to date. Within AutoCAD, you get access to the latest CAD drawing wherever you are, so you can verify accuracy on site, make changes, run new scenarios with clients in real time, and keep the CAD workflow going. This should give you some good information for showing how Surface devices can help everyone from designers and architects to landscape designers, interior designers, especially trade contractors and engineers. Surface, with powerful software from Autodesk, provides the power these customers need with the flexibility that they crave. Thanks for watching.